Hello, traders, and welcome to your market briefing. Today, we're diving into one of the most watched currency pairs right now, the euro versus the British pound, or EUR/GBP. After a period of upward momentum, the big question on everyone's mind is, has the pair hit a ceiling? Let's take a look at what the charts and market chatter are telling us. Overall, the sentiment is starting to lean distinctly negative. While there's a lot of noise about big wins in other markets, the focused analysis on EURGBP is pointing towards a potential reversal. The mood is cautious, with many traders looking for signs of weakness after the recent climb. Breaking down the technicals, we can see the price has pushed up into a significant zone of resistance. This area, right around the 0.865 to 0.87 mark, has previously acted as a strong barrier, stopping rallies in their tracks. The price is currently hesitating, struggling to break through, which is often a sign of buying exhaustion. This hesitation is creating what many see as a prime selling opportunity. Technical analysis suggests that if this resistance holds, the pair could be due for a downward move. We're seeing specific sell signals emerge, with potential entry points around the 0.86 level. For a trade like this, a stop loss would typically be placed just above the recent high, near 0.87, to guard against a false breakout. If the sellers do take control, where could the price be headed? The next major area of support seems to be down around the 0.85 level. This appears to be the primary target for those who are bearish on the pair, offering a significant potential downside from the current levels. So, let's summarize the key takeaways. First, EURGBP is at a critical inflection point, testing a major historical resistance zone. Second, the dominant sentiment is turning bearish, with analysts anticipating a potential drop from these levels. And third, the key selling point is the current resistance area, around 0.865, with a potential downside target near the 0.85 support level. The stage is set for a classic battle between bulls and bears. Will the upward momentum be strong enough to finally break through this ceiling, or will the bears defend this level and push the price back down? The next few trading sessions will be critical in determining the pair's next major move. Keep a close eye on those levels.